Hi, welcome to this new tutorial. Today I will show you how to create this cool effect. Let's start. Create a simple text and choose the font. Convert the text layer to Smart Object, so you can change your text later. If you want, you can skew your text by going to Edit, Transform, Distort. Now let's start creating the effect. Go to Filter. Select Gallery Filter. Select Blur Path. In this screen, you can create your own distortion effects using this arrow. By clicking in the middle of the arrow, you can activate a point and moving it will distort your blur. To see more distortion, increase the speed. And if you want the text to be sharper, increase the taper, activate the center blur checkbox. By clicking on the point above the text, you can decide the intensity of the blur. You can also do it from the side panel in the endpoint speed section. This effect blurs your text, so using a lighter colored background will make you have a less sharp effect. Duplicate the layer with the effect and open the blur gallery again by clicking on the filter in the layer. Now we need to make the text sharper. The settings I used are: taper 100%, speed 182%. The last step is to apply effects to the text. The effect must be applied over the less sharp text. Open the style layer by double-clicking on the layer you want to work on. Create a gradient overlay or apply a color of your choice. This step can be changed later. Add a satin effect with these values. Opacity 50%. Size 30px. Distance 120px. Select the counter with the two triangles. The last effect is bevel and emboss. Also activate the contour effect and use this type of curve. In bevel and emboss, use these parameters. Depth 1000%. Size 7px. Soften 3px. Shading. Angle 150 degrees. Altitude 20 degrees. Use this type of contour. Put highlight and shadow on normal. Highlight 100%, 0% shade. Now create a curve layer. Play around with the curve until the effect suits you, or copy the setting I gave to my curve layer. If you want brighter colors, add an effect of vividness and saturation. To add the noise effect, create a white layer. Convert it to a smart object. Apply the noise filter. Change the blend mode to overlay and open the noise effect to edit it. My settings are: amount 15% and Gaussian distribution. And here is the final effect. In my case, I modified my gradient overlay to get a colder and more uniform color. Thanks for following me to the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.